Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to use the DAX previous day function. This DAX function is used to create a new column with the previous date. I will add previous day date as a new column. Select new column. I will name my column as DAX previous day and will write the formula equal to previous day and select date field from my table. We will now format the newly created column. Let's convert the date and time format to date only or short date format. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel to get regular updates.